transfer Chelsea aya ama manum nyina ato amenka ho asem o se Chelsea for no ba mi DM bebusa Kweku ya sign players o Morgan Rangers ya sano wo ka sem na mi gina mi nkavio manum nyina ato mani su biri mani prusu omo ka mi fi omo like Aston Villa no me say I then Aston Villa etim kukuru player nte said the Chelsea I don't understand them me tewa meeting wa bobo ne me da sore ya Crystal Palace Eddie Malens Lacroix Eddie ma Chelsea 52 million ewo na me sisi asha asie hwan tete my basa bebe ma kra agene tete Chelsea no Oma sanyo what the 2026 Oma sanyo what the Oma idin Oma de Andre Santos Ede ma Manchester Ede Kuguera ma Madrid if you say nyenu ngwani dio anya Ganacho kwa Oma won nkonfa ede ne ko Oni say Chelsea asam Barco Palestra 21 defender 43 million. Do you know that Guavini wonders for a winger or back on 2027 campaign Chelsea versus Emmanuel Macha or a striker and a Valentino Barco fatu but when can Chelsea for no Xavi Alonso said why didn't they be Chelsea let me give you a scenario because me Chelsea there be a Chelsea here no me against Chelsea nkoso mempe sese o ma sign Morgan ene meni scrap prusu meni scrap me ene Lacroix Chelsea metamena meni subiri me senka me imagine senka me good Chelsea this season say o mo another plan Mosa na Xavi Alonso tie oga ema wa mi so be Chelsea yo Xavi Alonso oya die wontimi nya die wa kosinsa defenders ne strikers na Chelsea abedi debi don't no Xavi Alonso God have to protect you Xavi Alonso God have to protect you and no more concern flowers ama me siri bonsiri akwe wa moa enemy that's all ya they give me a knockout omo de etuo agumanu ama me singina tutu me sekrafem chefe manum grato na Crystal Palace mo defender mo defend like mo defend the way na Crystal Palace go come here Crystal momra and ma kire one na bebo biem Marco Palestra 43 minutes 43 million euros Atlanta no what Atlanta you for say trick mama wow with just me trim na me hene ready Jesus Christo defendant is an Atlanta Jana Chelsea 21 on a Lacroix no c'est Lacroix was the one no so Jano na Morgan mo jam midfield awurade nya me proper midfielder we am Chelsea Aston Villa Mr. Weaving boy God have to protect you guys God have to protect you wow be wa bi so be Chelsea here bia won survive place no ma bani nyina ya mama kwaba ba oba ya flam kokotako AK Kweku nsam be baburo be dane de lap